Hello guys, if you observe from last 4 days there were green candles in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. But again, if you pay attention, especially in Bank Nifty, you will observe an interesting phenomena. Last 3 days markets were inside the Monday's strong down mood. This speaks about the sellers are still trying to regain control. And there is one more interesting phenomena what you might observe here is from last 4 days, especially Bank Nifty has not broken any 1 hour low or high. On Monday, this is the first 1 hour low and high, nowhere it has broken. And on day before yesterday, high or low of first 1 hour has not been broken. Yesterday, no 1 hour high or low has been broken. Today, 1 hour low or high has never been broken. Here in this video, let's discuss about what we should be expecting for tomorrow or on Monday based on the current market profile structure and order flow data. Before we dive into analysis, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'm Dilip, welcome back to the channel. So if you go back to my yesterday's video, I was speaking about especially there is a possibility Bank Nifty might go for 49,100 because prices got already accepted inside this value area on last Thursday. The prices likely go for covering the whole value area that has happened today. The moment market opened, it covered the entire value area. But I was also pointing out about Bank Nifty for any kind of further up move. 49,100 to 49,200 future levels needs to be sustained. That never happened. But at the same time, Bank Nifty has not even broken the day's low also. This is speaking about again some buyers are coming in at the lows. At the same time, focus here as the prices went down, crossed the yesterday's value area low. Some strong aggressive buyer came in, and at the same area there was a pullback around 11:15 candle. This spoke about there is a good possibility of sideway market till this pullback low stands, or there could be a up move because there is a good amount of gap here. So it was a strong sideway market. A strong value has been formed. For tomorrow, what you should be looking is, I think you need to watch for this value area low and this low. So any sustaining below 48,570 levels on 15 minutes to 30 minutes, guys, there is again a strong possibility Bank Nifty will likely go for 48,380 levels, and second target, as I mentioned yesterday, there is a possibility it will even go for 48,110 levels in a couple of days. So for tomorrow, if at all there is going to be a moderate gap up inside 49,200 levels on any 30 minutes, look for shorting opportunities. As I said, today is a strong value is there. Value attracts prices. Your first target will be 48,670 levels. If at all there is going to be moderate gap up. So for any further up move, you need to watch for 49,200 levels sustaining for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. There is a strong selling tail here. These selling tails, they act as a very good supply areas. And I also discussed like nowhere the first 1 hour low or high has been broken on that particular day from last 4 days. So this is so rare. Do this exercise. Try to identify any three stocks. There are 6 to 7 types of days in market profile, and one of the rarest day is non-trend day, which happens less than 5%, and consecutively this non-trend days happening 4 days, again it's pretty much rare. You can check for yourself. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Nifty, again, it's a very different market. Yesterday there was a strong buying pressure indicated by the buying tail, and at the same time, I was also referring in my yesterday's video, there is a good possibility Nifty will likely go for 22,630 to 650 levels if it sustains about 22,540 levels. So in the morning session, prices opened at 22,540 levels. Prices went down inside value area. It covered more or less entire value area, and then again prices got rejected. Why again prices came up is because again the opening itself. Nifty itself has been opened by the initiative buyer, so whenever they open, likely at some point into the day they will try to take control. As the prices comes down, they enter again, pushing the prices further higher highs. Once Nifty sustained about 22,540 levels in 10:45 and around 11:45 candles, there was a up move towards the levels which I have mentioned, towards 22,630 levels, and the high itself is around 22,640 levels. So for tomorrow, again, as I mentioned, watch for these levels, guys, till 22,870 to 22,900 levels is sustained on futures on 30 minutes to 1 hour. Sellers will strike again anywhere. This is the area where a strong breakout has been seen, so there is a possibility maybe it will go for 22,800 also. I'm not very sure about it, but I will be little bit skeptical. So your opportunity lies from where the market opens, whether the prices opens outside this value area, sustains here for 1 hour or something like that. So unless that happens, I will be a little bit skeptical towards 22,800 also. So look for shorting opportunities. And at the same time, let me also give you why this today's up move itself is not very reliable. This is a one time framing market. If you had been following my videos from last many days, I have mentioned plenty of time one time framing markets are least reliable. So if you focus here from 11:15 candle, there is no proper pullback anywhere. Whenever you see this one time framing market, generally they get revisited within 3 to 5 days. So I won't be surprised if markets comes down into this today's range tomorrow itself. For shorting opportunities, look for prices to close clean below 22,560 levels. Any close below this on 30 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour, you will likely see again 22,445, and there is a possibility it will even come down to 22,340 levels, and it will even come down to 23,300 levels. At the same time, today value area low itself has a ledge area. There are multiple hopbacks around this area. So all these things, any moderate gap up, I think I would be waiting whether the prices will sustain inside the value area below 22,560 levels or above the today's range. Only then I would be looking for any kind of longs or shorting opportunities. So it is going to be tricky whenever you have strong price magnets around lower levels and prices gaps up tomorrow. So this is with Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, check out the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.